a beautiful night here in the Magic Kingdom, and my favorite engine rides again, Royal Disney!
Almost there, we are almost there. Almost there, not yet, remain seated. Almost there, just a little bit more, remain seated. Almost there. We are still moving, remain seated. Keep them sitting on the inside, away from the opening when they're responsible zone on their right. And for the comfort and courtesy of those around, there is no eating, no drinking, and no smoking aboard the train. With those two whistles, we have been cleared for motion over to Frontierland. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. We are all aboard.
All aboard!
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad.
A beautiful nighttime ride.
Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're leaving Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. But if you stay on board long enough, sooner or later, you'll be back. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. For an old conductor like me, on pure steam power, this old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else can you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA, the untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America? At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible, and we're headed straight to the heart of Adventureland. It can get pretty wild in these parts, especially if you run into Captain Jack Sparrow. He's hiding out among those scurrilous pirates of the Caribbean. But whether you're boarding a boat for the Jungle Cruise or flying on Aladdin's magic carpets, when you visit Adventureland, bring an extra dose of bravery. As for me, I'll stay safe and sound right here aboard my train, if you don't mind. Wild west of the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This outpost is home to covered wagons, cowpokes, and country. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or hop on over to Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch. So sit tight until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking here, please carry your strollers all the way around.
We approach Frontierland Station, which is your closest stop to Adventureland and Liberty Square. I'd like to remind everybody to remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. At that time, I will give you the two magic words, all clear. Those two words will let you know when it is safe to exit the train.
Remain seated, so let's clear the thing.
We are still in motion, folks. Just a little bit longer. Please remain seated. Do not attempt to stand or exit the train until I've given you the two magic words, all clear. Hold on, folks. Not yet. Not yet. Hold on, folks. All clear. Thank you for those two. And with those two whistles, we have been cleared for motion over to Fantasyland. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. We are all aboard.
All aboard! Hi, Joseph. I remember you.
If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland and to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet, and legs safely inside.
I bet you YouTubers have never seen Thunder Mountain at night.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
no runaway trains so far. That is out of control. Nice light over here by the bridge.
I feel right at home here in the prairies and forests of the American wilderness. These woods haven't changed much since the days when settlers started heading west. Nowadays, rails can carry us safely through the wild, and a trip that used to take months can now be made in just a few weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk that feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, many early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of the Plains Indians lived hunting and trading for centuries.
Here's the Indian village at night.
They were the first to tame the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts. We're almost out of the woods, folks. Coming up on the most magical land, Fantasyland, a place where any dream can come true. Fly over London with Peter Pan. Set sail on It's a Small World. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Be our guest at an enchanted feast in the Beatles Castle. Or journey into the Seven Dwarfs Mine, where a million diamonds shine. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, there's always something special about Fantasyland. If you've been riding trains as long as this old-timer, you may remember the days when the circus would come to town on the local railway. Well, the circus is here, and it's set up permanent headquarters as the Fantasyland Storybook Circus. Join Goofy on the Barnstormer.
That echoing whistle.
Circus acrobatics and toasted ribs. This station is all the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your belongings and carry your strollers away from the platform. That way we can start rolling up for the next leg of our trip. The building you disembark in, please watch your step. Thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad. You are to be soon. If you share the next stop is Main Street Station.
Alright folks, as we approach Fantasyland Station, which is your closest stop for the rest of Fantasyland as well as Tomorrowland, I'd like to remind everybody to remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete
Wait
stop.
for the train
At
to
that time, I
stop.
will give you the two magic words.
There
All
will be a
clear.
time to stand. That
Those two
time is
words
not
will
now.
let you know when it is safe to exit the train. Until then,
Wait
please
for
remain
it.
seated. Do not attempt to stand or exit the train until I've given you the all clear. Hold on, folks. Not yet. Not yet. Hold on, folks. Please remain seated. Remain seated.
All clear.
They are fully seated at all times and away from the opening on the right-hand side of the train. And there is no eating, no drinking, and no smoking while aboard. Those two whistles have made us for forward motion, so sit back, relax, because we are
Eyeball.
all aboard.
Eyeball. All aboard. Eyeball.
Looks like we're ready to embark on the next leg of our journey. Our destination is Main Street USA. Everyone stay seated and keep your hands and arms inside the train at all times. And please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños.
complete, see Baltimore and Ohio 3 chimes.
Size drivers taking their first spin behind the wheel of a car. Getting from place to place is a big deal in Tomorrowland, where you might board a people mover, zip around on the Astro Orbiter, or book a flight across the galaxy at our busy starport in Space Mountain. Tomorrowland is truly a world on the move.
Cylinder blowdown. Whew, that steam.
We've made a complete trip around the Magic Kingdom. Those of you who've been on board for our journey, thanks for putting up with me these past few days. If you're still with us, we'll be headed for Frontierland next. Right now, please stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then, carefully step off the train. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so we can safely board passengers for the next leg of our journey. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
As we approach the station, friends, please just remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. I will give you the 2 magic words of all clear when it is safe to stand up and disembark. Until then, please remain fully seated. Remain seated, friends. We are almost there. Wait